Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Match Factory application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store and go to the search box and type in Match Factory. Once you come across the search results, tap on this application from Peak Games and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed, which will take a couple of minutes, and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Match Factory is a 3D Match 3 puzzle game developed by Peak Games. It offers a vibrant, eye-catching experience with unique features like sorting tiles, timed levels, boosters and power-ups, regular updates and events, and hidden objects and rewards. The application is available for both Android and iOS devices, and in-app purchases are available for optional content and boosters. Soon after the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch Open Match Factory on your iOS device. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.